Hi, I am astronaut and I am welcoming you to the journey of the solar system to get ready to explore the wonders of cosmic neighborhood. And the sun, the star at the middle of the solar system. That didn't be possible without me. I am Mercury. I am the closest planet to the sun and fast orbiting planet in the solar system. Hello, I am Venus, the second planet from the sun. I am made up of many gases, which makes me the hottest planet. Hi, I am Earth from the third planet of the sun, and to harm to Earth life, I am only one with liquid water and atmosphere that's up alive. Hello, I am Mars. I am the fourth planet from the sun. I am known for my red appearance. Scientists think I might have water in the past.
I am the Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system. I am a gas giant with a massive size and strong weather that makes me fascinating.
I am Saturn, the sixth planet from the sun. I am known for my external rings that are made up of ice and rocks, and my suns are pretty cool too.
Seventh planet from the sun. I am the icy giant with the tilted axis that makes me stand on my side.
I'm Neptune, the eighth and farthest planet from the sun. I am icy giant with a strong wind and massive astronomy system. And that's the journey of the solar system. Each planet is unique. Is it sound great? Thanks for joining us for this cosmic adventure.